Welcome to Abstract. In this video, I will show you how to resize images. Some people call it resize image pixels. Pixel is basically smallest unit in an image. One little dot. Image width and height is measured in pixels. But anyways, here is how you can resize images easily in many ways. On Google, search Photopea and go to their website. Click File, select Open. Let's use this image. Now here is our image. To resize the image, you can click image and then select image size. And from here you can adjust the width and height. And this thing locks width and height together. If I change this, height will adjust accordingly. After that, I can click OK. And the image is resized. You can also select image and then canvas size, adjust canvas size, press OK. And then you can move the image according to your need. After you are done, click File, export as PNG or JPEG. You can also do it in Figma. That is a free program and can be used online in a web browser. Go to figma.com, click Design, and from the main menu, select File and then Place Image. Let's select this image, click, and here is that image. Press Ctrl minus or Ctrl plus to adjust the size and then hold spacebar and click to move it. Then from here, you hold its one corner and then you drag it to resize it. And you can view the change in width and height at the right side. This is width and this is height. Once you're done, click Add the image, press plus icon in front of export, view the preview, select PNG or JPEG, and then click Export Group to export it or save it with the new dimension, new width and height. You can also do it in Canva. Go to Canva, click Create, select Custom Size, and here you can type your custom size, let's say 1000 by 500. Create new design. Now upload your design. Let's select this design, click Add the image, and simply from here you can resize it. And you can still move it and position it according to your need. Once you are done, click Share, download, and from here you can also adjust this size. When it's according to your need, press download to download this image with the new width and height, with the new dimension. So we have got Photopea, we have got Figma, and we have got Canva to resize images easily. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.